Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
もしもし、担当者と話したいのですが。
はい。少々お待ちください。
Once more with the English translation.
もしもし、担当者と話したいのですが。
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
はい。少々お待ちください。
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
もしもし。もしもし。
Then you need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is person.
と話したいのですが。
This Japanese sentence literally translates as person with speak I'd like to, but it means I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
もしもし。担当者と話したいのですが。もしもし、担当者と話したいのですが。
Now, how do you answer this question?
はい。少々お待ちください。
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
はい。少々お待ちください。はい。少々お待ちください。
This Japanese sentence literally translates as, yes, a little wait please, but it means, okay, just a moment. Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge.
担当者。担当者。
A sales representative.
営業担当者。営業担当者。
The manager.
マネージャー。マネージャー。
Customer service.
顧客サービス。顧客サービス。
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
営業担当者と話したいのですが。
はい。少々お待ちください。
マネージャーと話したいのですが。
はい。少々お待ちください。
顧客サービスと話したいのですが。
はい。少々お待ちください。
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person? Person.
と話したいのですが。
And how do you answer it?
はい。少々お待ちください。
Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say, a sales representative?
営業担当者。営業担当者。
Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative.
営業担当者と話したいのですが。
Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it.
営業担当者と話したいのですが、
はい。少々お待ちください。
Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say, the manager?
マネージャー、マネージャー、
Say, I'd like to speak with the manager.
マネージャーと話したいのですが、
Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it.
マネージャーと話したいのですが、
はい。少々お待ちください。
Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say, customer service?
顧客サービス、顧客サービス、
Say, I'd like to speak with customer service.
顧客サービスと話したいのですが、
Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it.
顧客サービスと話したいのですが、
はい。少々お待ちください。
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!